If you want to quantify the difference between two beaches by looking at volumetric changes, that's pretty easy to do. So let's have a look at these two data sets here and swipe the difference between the two. So you should be able to see there's quite a significant difference between the amount of sand at different places on that island. So what I've done is I've just drawn two polygons here covering areas where there has been an increase in sand in 2024 compared to 2023. So you can see those bits there, and we're going to calculate that volumetric increase there. So what we do is we select the dataset, use Control or Command if you're on a Mac to select the polygons, and then use this tool up here or Shift-V for the shortcut on your keyboard there to click that. Now it's going to take a couple of moments to calculate, and when it does, then it will return for us the volume above the base level as well as the volume below the base level. So you'll see that there and the net difference as well. And in this case, we know that it's above the base level that we're looking at, which has been the deposition in both of those polygons there. You can always export this data if you would like to view it in another spreadsheet or anything like that of your choice.